In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload icons to Elementor. First things first, Elementor is a fantastic tool for creating beautiful websites with ease, and having the ability to upload your own custom icons allows you to truly tailor your designs and make your site stand out. So, let's get started. Before diving directly into uploading icons, make sure that you have Elementor Pro installed on your WordPress site, as this feature is not available in the free version. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and activate Elementor Pro. Once you're all set with that, the next thing you want to do is ensure you have a library of icons ready to go. I recommend saving them in SVG format because SVGs are scalable and perfect for web use. If your icons are not in SVG format, you might want to consider using an online converter to change them to SVG to ensure the best quality for your design. Now that you've got your SVG icons ready and Elementor Pro installed, open your WordPress dashboard. Head over to the Elementor section in the dashboard. Look for the Custom Icons tab and click on it. Once you're there, you'll see an Add New button. Click on this to proceed. This is where you'll upload your custom icons. Click the Upload SVG button. A window will appear allowing you to select the SVG files from your computer. You can choose to upload multiple icons at once for added convenience. After choosing your files, hit the Open button to upload them into Elementor. You should see a progress bar indicating that your upload is in process. Once completed, your icons will be available in the Elementor library. They're now ready to be used throughout your site creations. To actually use these newly uploaded icons, simply go into any Elementor page editor. Locate the icon widget, drag and drop it onto your page where you'd like. In the icon settings on the left panel, click on the icon library. You'll see a section titled My Icons within the library. This is where all your uploaded icons live. Browse through and select the icon you want to use, then click Insert. Voila! Your custom icon is now part of your web page design. Feel free to resize or adjust the styling as you see fit. Always remember, when dealing with icons on your site, it's imperative to keep accessibility in mind. Ensure that your designs are not only visually appealing but also accessible to all users, such as those using screen readers. I hope you found this guide on uploading icons to Elementor helpful and that it allows you to make your web designs even more unique and personalized. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!